In this tutorial, I'm going to let you understand how to use and how to log in your WeChat official account. Well, there are two ways, and I'm going to make explanations in both English and Chinese. 这是一个小视频，主要是帮助你的国外朋友、同事，告诉他如何使用微信公众号，如何登录。那由于国外的朋友他们用不好微信，那我这里的英语介绍的话，应该对于那些说英语的朋友会有帮助。When you give your WeChat official account to your friends or partners, somebody can use their mobile phone, and of course they have installed the WeChat program, and then they can open their WeChat program to scan your QR code, and then the other people can log in to your WeChat official page. It doesn't mean that you yourself can log in only one mobile phone. I mean that if you open your scanner and you try to scan the QR code yourself, it doesn't work. So in this situation, you have to use the second method, which means that yourself how to log in and how to go to your WeChat official account. When you give your WeChat official account QR code to your friends, somebody is going to open their WeChat program, and on their top right hand there is a plus, so they have to press the plus menu and then the scanner can work. It doesn't mean that you use your mobile phone scanner, but this scanner should come from the WeChat program. Okay, so let's come to the second way. If you want to open your own WeChat official account, how can you do it? First, get ready of your QR code yourself. For example, open your WeChat program, you can find the WeChat QR code and then place your finger on the QR code and stay there continuously for 2 or 3 seconds. And then it's going to automatically transfer to this page. And on this page, of course, all of the information are in Chinese. Please pay attention to the bottom line, and there is one signal, and that is your brand logo, and you can see it, that is China Hoops, right? And then please click that menu, and then you can jump automatically to your WeChat program. And then you can show and make explanations to your friends how it works and how the content is. Hopefully this tutorial is helpful to you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching.